everyone. Hope you all are doing really well. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter from the novel The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett, and the chapter is all about nest building. So, in this chapter, we are going to explore that who is building the nest and what is this nest all about. But as you all know, that before explaining you the chapter, I always give you some meanings of the difficult words, so it will be easy for you to get the meanings of these words and to understand the story well when you will be reading it by your own in your books. So here we are with some of the difficult words, in which first one is sly, cunning and deceitful nature. Second, whining, making of long high pitched cry. Third, yellow, shout. Scrawny, unattractively thin. Ruffling, disorder or disarrange. Waft, pass gently through the air. Fluting, sound of flute music. Here are a few more. Sprouting, put out or shoots of plants. Scramble, move someone quick. Skylarks, a bird of farmland noted for its prolonged song. Hounds, a dog used for hunting. Trotted, run at a moderate pace. Caucasus, a small spring flower. Conceited, excessively proud of oneself. And by the end of this, we are done with the difficult words. And now it's finally the time to explore that who is building the nest and what is this nest building all about. Students, in this chapter, Mary became increasingly absorbed in caring for the secret garden, which she thinks of as a safe hidden nest. So, nest is actually being called to the secret garden, which is a safe site, safe place, or a hidden nest for Mary. After a long week of rain, when the sky appeared again with bright sunlight and pink clouds, Mary went out silently to visit Secret Garden because it has been raining since a week. So Mary did not get the opportunity to visit the garden, but now finally the rain stopped, and Mary got a chance to go out of the manor and to see the secret garden, and her happiness became double when she saw Dickon there already working. All of you know that Dickon is Martha's brother, who is very much into nature and animals. He is an animal pleaser. He likes nature. He likes to grow plants, gardening, each and everything. And when Mary saw her in the secret garden, so she became increasingly happy, and she felt really good that Dickon was working over there. Dickon told her about new growings and many more things about the animals and plants. Both of them were very happy and enjoy each other's company with laughters, whispering, and talking. Obviously, when you are working with your friends, so you enjoy a lot. You are having some fun banters as well. You gossips as well. Mary told Dickon about the meeting with Colin. Dickon proposed the idea of bringing Colin to a street garden, secretly of dying. Dickon proposed the idea of bringing Colin to secret garden secretly so that he can see new growings and leave the idea of dying. It was actually Dickens' idea to get Colin out of his bedroom and to make him see the secret garden, that there is a whole and a very beautiful life out of his bedroom, but they are going to do it secretly. It will help him to grow healthier. Then they saw Robin silently, who was busy in building nests with his mate. So it was all from this chapter, nest building, in which we came to know that after a week, Mary visited the secret garden again, and she was very happy that she saw the garden growing. There were some new plants and some new flowers that grew over the period of the whole rainy weather for 1 week. Then Dickon and Mary had a very good time together. They laughed, they whispered, they talked, they were having gossips while working. Also, Mary told him about Colin, that he is sick, he does not get out of the room, he thinks that he is going to die soon, this and that, and so on. Obviously, all false assumptions of Colin. So Tekken gave her the suggestion that they should bring Colin to the secret garden, so he can also see it, he can enjoy it, he can be pleased by the beauty of the nature, and it is going to have a very positive impact on his health. Mary took the idea from Deccan and was ready to work on it, right? And but this all thing is going to be done secretly. And by the end, we came to know that Robin in the garden was building a nest with his mate. I hope the story of the chapter 15 nest building is clear to everyone. If you still have any query, you can ask me in comment section. And if you want to continue this journey of the secret garden with me, so for that purpose you need to watch the videos that are going to be soon posted on the channel, in which we will come to know more about secret garden, that how the secret garden will finally look at the end. So till the next video, take a very good care of you. Bye bye.